Chapter 1. Understanding Windows 10. Introduction. Windows is an operating system. An operating system is considered as the backbone of a computer because it manages both software and hardware resources. Without an operating system, a computer would be useless. So, it is very important to install an operating system before starting to work on computer. Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system that handles the operations of a computer. It is one of the most popularly used operating systems which provides us a graphical user interface, virtual memory management, multitasking and support to many peripheral devices. Windows 10 is considered to be the best Windows operating system. Let us study about some important features of Windows 10. Note: Windows 11 is the latest version of the Windows. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 looks attractive with a set of images, icons and themes. It is loaded with a custom start menu, multitasking tools, virtual desktop, task view, live tiles, etc. It keeps you organized, focused and ready for anything. It has an advanced search tool called Cortana that helps you find information directly on your computer or web. Live tiles. Live tiles display latest updates and information that are useful at a glance without opening an app. These tiles are available in the right pane of the Start menu. You can rearrange, resize and move these tiles to make them work better as per your requirement. For example, Clock tile displays the timing around the world, while Weather tile displays the weather forecast. How to pin tiles. 1. Click on Start, go to All Apps. 2. Right-click on the app that you want to add. 3. Click on the pin to start. Alternatively, you can drag the app from the list and drop it in the tiles area. How to resize tiles. You can resize live tiles. There are 4 different sizes available: small, medium, wide and large. 1. Right-click on the tile. 2. Click on the resize option. 3. Select a size of your choice. Universal apps of Windows 10. A universal app is an app that can run not just on a Windows PC but also on any operating system or devices such as Windows Tablet, smartphone, smartwatch or Xbox as well. You can find these apps for all devices at once from a single app store called Windows Store. Universal apps also work on different types and sizes of devices. You can find and use these apps from the All Apps option present in the Start menu. Some modern Windows apps are Calendar, Weather, Alarms and Clock, etc. Weather. This app provides immediate weather forecast for today or the week for your current location and displays the minimum or maximum temperature for your location and around the world. Alarm and Clock. This app allows you to set alarms, use a world clock and has a timer and stopwatch functionality integrated. Task View. Task View is a virtual desktop system introduced in Windows 10. It allows you to organize your applications across multiple virtual desktops. This feature makes it easy to manage all the windows that are open. Adding a virtual desktop. To add a desktop, do the following steps. 1. Click on the Task View button on the taskbar. 2. Click on the New Desktop button. A new desktop is added with nothing on it yet. Any app you open will be added to this desktop while it is selected. 3. Open the apps and windows that you want on the new desktop. Viewing windows and desktops. To view windows and desktops, do the following. 1. Click on the Task View button on the taskbar. All the windows you have opened are reduced to thumbnails, letting you switch between the apps quickly. 2. Click on the window or desktop you want to view. Removing a virtual desktop. You can also remove a virtually created desktop. To remove a desktop, click on a desktop's close button. The desktop closes. If you had any apps still running on that desktop, they will move over to the next available desktop. Moving windows between desktops. To move or switch windows between desktop, click on the Task View button. Then click and drag a window thumbnail to another desktop's thumbnail. 1. Fill in the blanks.